like it just stopped and it was like, woo.
A garbage truck doesn't handle too well around trees.
Okay, guys.
No!
Oh,
No!
What?
No!
Why?
Get in the
What did we do?
Get in the truck! Get in the truck!
Get in the
Go!
That was an enforcer. He saw me mugging people.
Walker, please help.
Walker, kill the enforcer.
I'm gonna have to drop off my stuff. Shit.
I got him.
Okay, you got him.
Okay,
Go,
no, someone's grabbed all my. No, someone's got all my stuff. Go back there.
Oh, they're driving off, I think.
All my stuff is back there. No, there's only one guy. You can run.
Oh, got him.
Oh, you got him. Jaden.
Transition slide.
Guys, everyone get in your vehicle. We're gonna have to invade the.
No!
Oh God!
You ran Dan over.
Again!
Ran over the.
You ran over the
Okay.
Dan stuff.
Why is Dan always just the ass end of car hits?
Yeah.
I tried to go spawn my car and then you hit me.
You're the one who freaking rocked your way over. You IDOT. Bulk
I was going to go
rules.
spawn my car.
Bulk
He drove
This
into
is bulk
me.
rules.
Here, come look at my license plate. Bulk.
It just says America.
Cole, come back.
No.
Look, Cole, look at my. Oh yeah, you see it. What?
Walker, just come and look at mine.
Oh no.
What the hell?
Invest.
Oh God.
No.
Hello?
Oh no,
Hello?
he's getting the ambulance.
Hello.
He's getting the ambulance.
Hello? Hello?
Oh God.
It's the Hurt Mobile.
The Hurt Mobile.
It's hurt. Go away. Go away. Oh God. Killed him.
The Hurt Mobile.
He's dead. He's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I sent like the Reaper version.
Oh, I thought you
She's
said
just
the
saying
angry
die.
emoji version.
No, I sent the Reaper one.
Oh my
It's
gosh, Jaden. I have $445.
I wasn't gonna run you over. I was just gonna run over the guy.
Let's
you
get
were
him,
mugging.
Bulk.
Jaden, you
Hush.
barely hit
Yeah.
him and not me.
I know. I was like,
Bulk, they won't survive.
See you later.
See you
Jaden,
later.
please don't. Jaden, please don't.
Let's get him, Bulk.
oh my god!
My way.
We killed them both.
Wait, Dan. Wait, no. All my money's there. No, don't, wait, go back. Wait, stay there. Stay where that.
I
Oh,
was
Cole,
not
Cole, we got
Cole,
them both.
no,
We
Cole,
did
stay
it.
over there. Stay over where I died.
What?
The
It said that I killed Walker.
Why didn't you make it? Why didn't you add anything?
It's a shop.
You could have added anything, Jaden. Anything. No.
It's just shop.
Look behind you. Even Dan's has more.
Did you see the statues?
If you're happy and you know it, bark with me. If you're happy and you know it, bark with me. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, bark with me. If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail. If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail.
This looks like the
Alright,
D.
Jaden.
Do it, Jaden.
Alright. So I actually put some effort into this.
Oh no.
He's shit.
It didn't load me yet.
Get that off the wall right now.
Oh god.
Well, that concludes this episode. More episodes coming never.